Bajaj is launching the youngest Pulsar. So naturally, they have sent the youngest in the office, me. You're watching Topgear India and my name is Nihal. And here are everything you need to know about the Pulsar N125. But oh wait, if you haven't subscribed, hit that button and click the bell icon. Talking about the design, Bajaj is clearly aiming for the first-time buyers or the young riders who are obviously 18 plus. Starting from the shiny bits, we got LED headlamps which are pleasing and not too intimidating as the rest of the N series. However, we have seen these indicators before on the Bajaj Freedom 125 and they are not free from the halogens. Bajaj Pulsar N125 is available in two variants, LED disc and LED disc Bluetooth. On the top variant, you get this fully digital LCD display with your usual smartphone connectivity features.
Although there are no gear position indicator or a tachometer, which is not impressive while the competition offers quite a lot more. At least they threw in a mobile charging port so you can power up your phone while you wonder which gear you are in.
On top of it, it is also offered with the smart start and stop assist and an ISD motor.
Only the top variant get ISG and auto start stop assist. On the other hand, which single-handedly makes the base motorcycle 2.5 kg heavier. Oh, and by the way, the price starts at Rs 94,707 and you will need to shell out 4,000 rupees more for the top variant.
Surprise, surprise! Both the variants get 250mm disc brakes and the LED headlamps. Interestingly, both the variants also get 17-inch alloys. The twin telescopic forks are neatly covered and adding to it, the tank shrouds are covering them from the sides as well. This makes the motorcycle more bulkier and beefier, especially when you're considering the class it comes from. And down below, you still get your trusty old Kickstarter. Similar to the Pulsar NS, it gets an underbelly exhaust. Are you a fan of it or do you feel missing out on it? And since I'm here, I can see a monoshock and which isn't rare. At the rear end of things, the grab handle is painted rather contrastingly and the tail lamps and indicators are kept simple, similar to the front, not too aggressive. The split seat setup is designed to elevate the looks and it offers plenty of space for the rider and the pillion to move around. However, it quite invades the tank section, which is of a capacity of 9.7 liters. Designs are subjective and this is definitely a fresh approach from the Bajaj, but I personally feel these seats are little too much in your space.
Bottom half also looks a little empty, but you don't have to listen to my opinion. Even my friends don't take fashion advices from me.
But hold on, I don't consider myself as stylish. So warm up your fingers and let me know in the comments below.
Let's see if it rides like how it looks or not. The brand new 124.59cc single cylinder air cooled engine makes 11.84 bhp or 12 ps, which also classes out all the competition. You might think 11 Nm of torque is not much, but it is predictable and sufficient and the motorcycle is fairly tractable. Today we only have a very limited amount of time and we only tested the bike on this go-kart and this busy traffic. So yeah, no too much moments here, just first impressions. Talking about impressions, the light clutch lever impressed me the most. And do you know what else is light? The Pulsar N125 itself. It felt exactly as it looks, nimble and agile. But let's be real, the seat and handlebars do get vibey at high revs. Sadly, without a rev counter, I can't tell you the precise RPMs. It's just a vibe check. However, with 198mm of ground clearance, you can ride with peace of mind. And the Pulsar N125 not once did bottom during our short section. Now it's time to answer more serious questions.
The Pulsar N125 is the fourth 125cc motorcycle from Bajaj and sixth from the N series, and in fact the 14th Pulsar in the entire Bajaj lineup. That's it. Since its inception from 2001, Pulsar is a nameplate among the youngsters and an icon. And the serious question here is, kitna deti hai? The fuel efficiency is claimed 60 kmpl, and my boss always say I am the most efficient in the office. I just realized that we have a lot more in common. Style, performance, efficiency, and we both debuted 23 years ago. Ouch, I shouldn't have shared that. But to end the things on a high note, let me show you the exhaust note of the Pulsar.